Imagine a tech titan soaring past expectations with a groundbreaking quarter raking in over $100 billion. That's the exhilarating news from Alphabet, Google's powerhouse parent company, as they unveiled their third-quarter earnings on Wednesday. This isn't just about numbers, it's a testament to their robust growth in advertising and cloud computing, setting the stage for an even more thrilling tech landscape. But here's where it gets controversial. While the market cheered with shares spiking in after-hours trading, Alphabet revealed plans to pour billions more into their future than anyone anticipated. Let's unpack this story step by step, in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're new to the tech world. First off, Alphabet's core business engine, their advertising division, continues to hum along, generating the lion's share of their revenue. Picture this: in a highly competitive arena where companies like Facebook, now Meta, Amazon, and others are all battling for a slice of the ad pie, Alphabet's team is holding strong. With interest rates potentially dropping, experts predict a boost in economic activity, which could mean more dollars flowing into ads. However, not everything's smooth sailing. Some advertisers in certain industries are being extra cautious, wary of economic uncertainties fueled by things like rising tariff costs and the ever-shifting sands of global trade. It's a delicate balance, right? And this is the part most people miss. Analysts are betting that as the economy perks up, advertisers will ditch riskier, experimental platforms like Snapchat, flocking back to Alphabet's tried-and-true ecosystem for better results. Now, shifting gears to the cloud side of things, that's where data and computing power live in the digital sky. Google's cloud division is buzzing with activity, posting a stellar $15.16 billion in revenue for the quarter, easily surpassing the $14.72 billion analysts had penciled in. This surge is largely thanks to businesses clamoring for AI-enhanced tools, like advanced data analysis and infrastructure that's smarter and faster. For beginners, think of AI here as computer systems that learn and adapt, making tasks like processing huge datasets quicker and more insightful. Imagine a super-efficient assistant that predicts trends or optimizes operations for companies. Alphabet's tools, including Vertex AI, a platform for building and deploying AI models, and their custom-built chips called tensor processing units, are helping them catch up to giants like Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services. But the competition? It's fierce, with rivals slashing prices and rolling out cutting-edge generative AI features. That's tech that creates new content, like text or images, on the fly. It's like a high-stakes race where innovation and cost-cutting are the name of the game. And speaking of innovation, this earnings report drops just days after a major shakeup. Microsoft, teamed up with SoftBank-backed OpenAI, launched their AI-driven Atlas browser. This newcomer is gunning straight for Alphabet's crown jewels, their dominant search engine and the ubiquitous Chrome browser, which most people use worldwide. For those unfamiliar, browsers are the gateways to the internet, and search engines are how we find information online. This move is one of the biggest threats to Google's empire in years, and investors are all ears, waiting to hear how Alphabet's leaders plan to counter this bold challenge to their most profitable turf. To top it off, Alphabet isn't resting on its laurels. They've hiked their capital expenditure, that's the budget for big investments like buildings and tech gear, from an initial $75 billion estimate in February, revised to $85 billion in July, all the way up to a whopping $91 to $93 billion for the coming year. Almost every penny is earmarked for infrastructure, especially data centers that power their AI ambitions. It's a controversial gamble. Pouring this much into the future could revolutionize how we interact with technology, but what if the returns don't match the hype? Will Alphabet's AI push secure their dominance, or open the door for even more intense battles? What do you think? Is Alphabet's massive spending on AI a smart long-term strategy, or is it risky overkill that could leave them vulnerable if competitors catch up? Do you believe Google can fend off challenges like Atlas, or is the search giant's reign coming to an end? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear differing opinions and spark a lively debate.